Ang ano ngayon, pinag-uusapan na pangalan ngayon, it's actually a high school player by the name of Kiefer Ravena. The last name is very familiar kasi anak siya ni Bong Ravena, and he just led Ateneo to its third straight juniors championship. He's a 5'11 guard, and he can do everything. No? He averaged 27 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, 3 steals per game in the finals. I mean, you assess talent as a college coach. What does that tell you?
He can go to Benilde anytime. Welcome. May spot pa. No, but he's really a tremendous player. Pinag-uusapan na to si Kiefer, I think, even when he was still in first year high school. Nadinig ko na nga ito si Kiefer. I didn't realize he was that good. And I saw him play a couple of times. He's not only talented, he's a smart player, no? Mataas yung basketball IQ niya, and that's what sets him apart from other good players. I think kaya rin umaangat masyado itong si Kiefer. I mean, he might be in high school, pero yung talent level niya, yung basketball IQ level niya, pang-college na.
Probably the weakness na tinitingnan ng Kiefer is ironically his height. No, he's 5'11", and people are asking, naku, tatakat pa ba si Kiefer? How big a concern is that if he's going to the next level, the college game?
He's what, 17 or 18 now, a senior
16.
in high school, 16. Yeah. Every single year na napanood natin, yun na nga yung height lang naging issue. Tumatangkad naman every single year at lumalapad at gumaganda yung katawan at lalong tumataas yung lundag niya. Yung problema kasi, 2 guard yung usual na nilalaro niya. No? Combo, nagwa 1 din, pero I think he seems like he's more comfortable as a 2 guard. Kaya kailangan umabot ng mga 6'2", 6'3". Bong Ravs is what, 6'1", 6 flat? So, meron pang pagkakataon hanggang 21 naman tumangkad na lalaki, di ba?
Hindi ka ba
nakatingin?
Hindi ka ba uncomfortable at kahit na pinag-uusapan dito?
No, I'm confident.
Okay.
Very confident. Okay.
Tatapad ka pa, Mingo!
May iniinom ako na...
May 1 year
Iba yung iniinom mo, hindi pa patangkad yun!
Multivitamins.
Hindi pa patangkad.
Hindi ba tumatangkad?
Okay. Yun, ikaw. I'm sure if he says, actually I'm thinking about going to Benilde.
Yeah. Wow.
Would you?
Susunduin ko pa siya sa bahay.
Would you even be concerned about his height?
Ano? Because, I mean, I know his caliber already. I would be concerned about him crossing the street from Benilde. Baka makuha ng iba. Okay? So, I would like to keep him there.
May malabo naman siguro mangyari.
Meron namang doon yung plant box, yung sa ilalim ng LRT. Pataasan mo na.
Nakatawid pa rin. Ganun talaga.
Teka, sandali. Tayo napunta. Mabalik muna tayo kay Kiefer Ravena.
Bitter.
Sinabi mo nga na, yun nga, first year high school pa lang siya. Siya ay nakuha na sa team. Just to put things in perspective, no? Because I was actually part of the team nung kinuha siya, no? Not as a player. As obvious ba?
Manager nila doon.
As team manager.
No doubt.
Si BJ Manalo, the legendary BJ Manalo from the juniors who transferred to LaSalle, made it on his second year. Larry Fonacier made it on his second year. Ibig sabihin, if you make it to at second year, like Jason, anong year ka nung nakapasok ka sa juniors? Third. Ayan, third. Ibig sabihin, magaling ka na no if you make it second or third. Kiefer made it first year high school. So, dun pa lang...
Ibig sabihin,
nakita na
paano yung team nyo?
Excuse me.
Magaling.
Repeat na. Nakita na yung potential na na-develop naman. Yun yung maganda doon. At an early age, nandoon na siya kagad sa programa. Kaya na-develop talaga nila Coach Jamaic Jarin at nung dating manager nila na naalagaan talaga.
He learned a lot from me.
Yun nga talaga, ang galing talaga From first year pa lang. Mahirap talaga makapasok agad ng varsity on your rookie year. I mean, sa college nga, mahirap rin yun What more sa high school. So, yes.
Pero at the level, pang mamaya yun.
Hindi pa sana ako tapos Okay.
Hindi, at the level of his game right now, madedevelop pa 4 or 5 years in college. Kahit siguro hindi na lumaki yung sa 5'11", sila Mac Cardona, 6 flat lang yan diba? So, pag exceptional talent uubra at magkakaroon pa rin naman ng career.
Agree or disagree?
Mas maganda siyempre lumaki pa siya. Huwag naman nating wish na kahit na hindi na siya lumaki, Pero tingin ko lalaki pa tong batang to. Pero importante niya, yung talent niya. Hindi pa to yung limit eh. Yun na nakakatakot dito sa batang to eh. No? I think gagaling palalo, especially with his stint with the national youth team. So more international exposure. Marami siyang matututuan sa international game. He'll be used to playing against taller players, stronger players. So gagaling pa to si Kiefer.
Actually, naalala ko, kasi yung Ateneo Juniors saka Seniors, magkasunod yan mag-ensayo eh. So, nanonood ang Seniors habang nagpa-practice ng Juniors, and then si Jai Reyes, kinunod si Kiefer. At sinabi niya, this was 2008, second year high school pa lang si Kiefer. Sabi niya, Coach, pang college na yan eh.
No,
no? So, and you know, when players say that about fellow players, especially younger players, that's a very, very big compliment.
Oh, I heard that before.
Really? Yeah! Ano ba? Compliment ako common noon. During your Manresa days?
College na ba yan?